Today's seam is a lapped seam. This is what it looks like from the right side, and from the wrong side it looks identical. It's 4 layers here, completely lapped. And the reason for a lap seam is this is usually done on like exterior canopies and sunshades. It leaves a tunnel here where I did a project the other day for redoing a sunshade, a sun umbrella for a patio, and we put the umbrella spines through here. So that would be the exterior and the interior. Gives a finished look to both sides. What you do is you take your fabrics. You don't do the typical laying the sides together and seaming them. What you have to do is on one side of the fabric you do a fold inward. This is the wrong side. Then on the other fabric you fold outward on the exterior or the right side. There's the wrong side. And then what you do is you take these and interlock them together like this. Depending on your project, you might need to use stay tape or clips. I used exterior ripstop nylon, which we didn't really want to put pins through it because you might start a rip in it. So we used a little bit of stay tape. Put them in there, line them up the best you can. When you press them, you need to make sure you press the seams the same width so they fit together nicely. Take it to your sewing machine and edge stitch, top stitch and edge stitch 1. This would be the right side of the fabric, down 1 edge. That's 1 edge done. Then you flip it over and top stitch the other flap down. I don't think this stitch has done much on garment wear. It could be like on maybe a jacket or a pair of heavy-duty shorts or heavy-duty pants. And there you have a lapped seam. Here's the interior or wrong side of the fabric, the exterior. Like for the outside sun umbrella or a canopy, that would be the exterior, looks nice, and the interior also looks nice. Depending on your fabric, the inside, wrong side of the fabric sometimes doesn't look as nice as the outside. But with the ripstop nylon we used, it was virtually identical on both sides. So you can, when you're looking at it, it looks good on both sides. And like I said, you have the tunneling here. Now if you need a big tunnel, you could overlap them by 1 inch. If you like a small tunnel or a small seam, you can overlap them by a 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch if you want, a little small for a lap seam. there you have it, a lap seam.